Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube video loading gets stuck when YouTube have ads. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign out and clear account session. For that, go to your YouTube app, click on your profile icon, and you can see option called setting. Click that and click switch account and click the use YouTube sign out. Once you sign out, your account will be disappear and search for a video like and play this. If it plays well, go back to your profile, click the signing in and add your account, and you can see the videos as usual. Step 2. Clear YouTube app data. For Android user, go to your settings, apps, YouTube app, click storage and tap on clear cache. For iPhone user, go back to your home page and hold it for a while and remove it and install it again. In that way, it will remove all your current session and the temporary data. This will refresh the YouTube app. Step 3. Remove and reset ad personalization. For that, go to your browser and go to the myadcenter.google.com, and you will see a home page of my ad center. Click the option called on and make sure to turn it off. Once you turn it off, wait 10-15 minutes, and once you're done, go and turn it on. This forces to Google Ads to reset your ads on YouTube app, and this will sort YouTube playback bug. That's all in this video. If you work anything, please mention in the comment and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.